This topic is multiplication of three fractions. And if you get one like this where you have a whole number, just change it to an improper fraction before you begin. So then what we have is we would have 2 times 2 times 10 over 17 times 5 times 1. And I would look for, before you work all that out, I would look for ways that you can simplify. And the 5 and the 10 right here both share a common factor of 5. So if I pull that out, I have a 1 here and a 2 here. And now I have 2 times 2 times 2 over 17 times 1 times 1. Makes that much easier. 2 times 2 is 4, and then times 2 again is 8. And then, of course, 17 times 1 twice is 17. And that is already our simplest form, so our answer is 8/17. Here's another example. So if I multiply the numerators, I have 5 times 7 times 3. Denominators, 8 times 8 times 5. I definitely see some simplifying I can do here, because I can pull out a common factor of 5 from the numerator and the denominator. That gives me a 1 in both of them. I don't see anything else in the numerator and denominator that share common factors. So when I multiply, I have 1 times 7 times 3, that's 21, over 8 times 8 is 64. And 21 and 64 only share a common factor of 1. The reason I know that is that 21's factors are 1, 21, 7, and 3. And 64's will not have a factor of 3 because 6 plus 4 equals 10, and 10 is not divisible by 3. And I don't know 7 times anything that's 64. So my answer is 21 over 64. One more example, we'd have 4 times 7 times 1 for the numerator, 5 times 9 times 2 for the denominator. I see 4 and 2 that share a common factor of 2, so if I pull out a 2, I have a 1 and then a 2. I don't see anything else, so now I'm going to have 2 times 7 times 1 for the numerator. That would be 14. And the denominator, 5 times 9 times 1, which is 45. And 14 and 45 share no common factors other than 1, so my answer is 14 over 45.